Pound kiwi. Okay, so I can see it's been on quite the bull run, and I have been looking to short this. I know it's not anytime soon, but I'm waiting for momentum to die off. I kind of thought it was happening yesterday, but clearly I was wrong because this is what pound yen does, and this is why I'm in no rush to short this. It's because I know that as soon as you think it's done, it'll just push higher, and it'll even pull back a little bit. It'll look good, and then it'll just you can see, prices pulling back. You have this nice bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. You think you're good, and then boom, just massive. So massive bullish engulfing candle. So pound yen does this all the time. So yeah, not in a rush to short this, but I do think it's coming to an end soon. So I'll just delete all this for now. We'll clean all this up, and we'll just see kind of what we're working with next. So first things first, I'm going to check this monthly range. Look, I wrote this, and I'm still sticking to it. So this, on average, moves about 750 pips a month, and maybe a little bit less, but it's at 678 right now. So it's pushing 700 pips already, and it usually moves between 7 and 750. So what I'm going to do first thing, I'm going to mark my next whole zone here, which would be 213. So you can see it's hitting that now. Here, I'll put this up top so we can see it better. It's hitting this now. Make sure this is all even. So I mean, it's possible this is the high. Don't know yet. We won't know for a while. We won't know for probably the rest of the week, just to see how this starts changing. But I mean, eventually it's going to run out of steam for the month and pull back at least somewhat. And I mean, you just looking at this. So you have this area here. See if I can zoom out enough here. There is some history with this area. So you got massive wicks. Massive monthly wicks through here, and I mean this was Brexit. I remember this long time ago. Wow, 7 years ago already. So I mean, price is approaching this area. About 214 is where it starts. So I mean, we're at 213 right now. She might go another 100 pips. There does seem to be a lot of bullish momentum into this area, so I think it's totally possible. We could actually shrink this up a little bit to like this. So yeah, I mean, this is kind of what I'm waiting for. Might not make it that high, or it might push into this zone, but I do think a big short is coming. I think there's going to be a momentum correction. So I'll leave this here just so we know how close it is. It's only 100 pips away, so I mean, that'll come quick. This moves like 160 pips a day. So, and another thing on pound kiwi right now, it's only 6 in the morning my time, but it usually moves about 157 pips a day, and it's already at 146, so it's kind of at its daily range already. If we look at a weekly, it still has quite a bit on the week, so it could definitely push up higher on the week, but today it might start pulling back a little bit. So what I'm looking for is momentum to really shift. So my first thing is letting price cross over this 1 hour moving average. You can see it's been above for a very long time. It retested here at the beginning of August. So I want price to go under this moving average. That's step one. Until it does that, I'm not even considering any short position. So we're gonna have to just wait on that. Today's been pretty bullish into this 213 zone, so I don't think today is going to be much of a sell-off day. We'll see. It'll probably be maybe tomorrow. We'll see, maybe a weak candle, and then the next day some sort of bearish engulfing candle, but maybe not. Maybe we'll just see this keep heading up into this 214 area, but I don't imagine it goes much higher than 214 this month, especially because I mean, it's at the monthly range then at that point. So then, I mean, eventually this steam has to die off. I don't know if that'll be the turnaround point, but that might be the end of the run for at least this month. But I'm going to actually keep these lines. I'm going to just tidy these up, move these up here a bit. So just potentially looking for this to come back, guys. So we're just gonna have to just wait it out, and I'm not looking to buy this. I would not look to buy this personally because it's almost at this major area, and I wouldn't buy something where it's basically hitting new highs every day into this recent area. So I like to buy things when they're on sale, not when they are very overextended. That's just me personally. Just got a bad feeling that this is going to turn around soon, which, well, it's a good feeling because I'm ready to short this, but if I was looking to buy it, I mean, that would be a bad feeling. I just see this area being so significant, and yeah, I think what'll be a really good sign actually is how this weekly candle closes. So today is Tuesday, I believe. Let me double check. I get my days messed up sometimes. Yes, it's Tuesday. So we got a few more days on to see how this week closes, and then I mean that maybe what'll happen is price will come into this 214 area for the week and then pull back, maybe back to like 213 or 212 to end the week, and that would probably be a pretty good sign. So we might have some news or like some confirmation by the end of the week, and like I said, I need this price to cross over this 1 hour moving average, so I'm gonna set an alert on that. Oh, I got no alerts. TradingView is doing maintenance. Wow. That's weird. I've never seen that before. But yeah, this previous 4 hour candle super bullish. And now this one's been tiny. So odds are there's enough bull momentum that's going to push right up to this 214 level. Maybe not today, but it'll still probably push a little bit higher on the day. So then we have this area. It's cool that it kind of created this area. We have something to go off of. So I mean, if price breaks this area, then we can look at this again. But because before this area there wasn't really any support, it was all the way down here at 209, so it's quite a ways away. So it is creating these little areas of support as it goes up, so that's nice. So that'll tell us like once price breaks this area, you know, breaks 212 here, then it's like, okay, well, there is a chance that momentum switching, but until then there's no chance. Until price crosses over this 1 hour moving average, no chance. So but you did get a little bit of a bearish engulfing candle here, back into this below this 213 zone, so that's nice. And then you got these two little weak candles so far. I guess this one just opened, but so yeah, maybe a sign, but definitely nothing significant. We gotta wait this out. Pound yen is nasty for this. Like if you're on the buying side here, which I'm sure there's a lot of people that were, like if you bought this any time the last 6 months, like you're laughing. And you know, you basically just buy pound yen every day and make money. It trends really well. Or sorry, not pound yen, pound kiwi here. It trends really well. So, but if you're on the wrong side of that trend, you'll get destroyed. So I don't want to be on the wrong side of that trend. I want to catch the new trend coming, that I believe is coming, at around 214 to like 216, this area here. So I want to be on top of that trend, and then short this for the next 6 months, which I could be totally off, and we're just gonna have to go day by day. And that's the cool thing with trading, is you don't have to take any trades you don't want to take. You can wait forever if you want. You can wait for more confirmation, more confluence, whatever you want to wait for, you can. So that's what I'm gonna do, and just let price do its thing, and then try to just capitalize on it when I can. And ideally this trend switches, and then yeah, starts riding down for 6 months, and I can just kind of wake up every day and short this. So that is my idea. We'll see how it plays out. I'll keep you guys posted. Probably I'll probably look at this every couple days here and just see what it does and try to be on top of things. So that is pound kiwi.